recapitulation of carbohydrates, proteins and fats that you have learned on the previous day, and we will also learn about the vitamins and minerals. So children, let's start today's session. So why do we need food, children? All living things need food. Food gives us energy for various activities that go on inside our body. Energy is needed for studying, playing, walking and talking. Some of the energy is also used to grow up. So children, food gives us energy. It will make the new body cells and it will also help us to fight against the diseases. Now children, we will learn about different food groups. Before that, we should know what is nutrients. Nutrients are the substances that are needed by our body for proper health and growth. Okay, some of these nutrients will help us to repair our body. It will give us energy to work. It will help us to grow and it will also protect us from falling sick too often. So, there are different nutrients in the food that we eat. The main nutrients the body needs are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, so students, we all need all of these nutrients in a proper quantity. Okay, so a balanced diet is very important for all of us. Now, we will come to know about the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are called the energy-giving food. In the picture, you can see there is a bowl of potato curry, chapati, rice and below you can see the picture of bread, sugar. Okay children, so these all are the very rich source of carbohydrates. Sugars and starches are the carbohydrates. Starch is present in rice and wheat. They are needed by our body to get quick energy. So, they are called the energy giving food. Children need lots of carbohydrate. People who do a lot of physical work like rickshaw puller, a laborer, a farmer, a sports person, etc. need a lot of carbohydrates. Okay, so let me tell few of the carbohydrate rich food like rice, wheat, maize. They are rich in carbohydrates and bread, chapati, dosa, these all are good source of carbohydrates. And while eating carbohydrates, we should remember one thing, we should avoid the refined carbohydrates like pastries, soft drinks, etc. Now students, we will learn about the proteins. Proteins are called the bodybuilding food. In the picture, you can see there is a chicken, different kinds of pulses, cheese, fish, meat, etc. So, food like milk, eggs, cheese, fish, meat, beans and pulses are rich in proteins. Food rich in proteins are called the bodybuilding food. They are needed by our body to build muscles, to grow and to repair the tissues. Young children need more protein-rich food because their body parts need more proteins to grow. Now children, we will come to know one more energy-giving food. It is called the fat. Fat will provide us energy like the carbohydrate. It will protect some vital organs. Okay, it will give a very good texture and flavor to the food. The food items that are rich in fats are oil, butter, cheese and nuts. So children, we come to know that both fats and carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. Now children, we will come to know about the minerals. Our body needs few minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, iodine and selenium. Okay, so what are the function of those minerals? These minerals will protect our body from different types of diseases and keep us fit and healthy. So children, the food that are rich in vitamins are called the protective foods. Okay, so here we will discuss about only two minerals. One is calcium, another is iron. Children, why do we need the calcium? Calcium is needed in the formation of bones and teeth. Okay, so in the picture you can see some calcium rich food like the milk, then curd, almonds, cheese. They are very rich in calcium. Okay, next is the iron. Iron is one more important mineral in our body. Iron is needed to form the blood. Okay, so there are some example of the iron rich food like spinach, green leafy vegetables, beetroot, apples and carrot. So children, we can summarize in this way that calcium and iron are very important minerals that our body need. Calcium helps in the formation of bones and teeth and iron is needed to form the blood. And now we will come to know about the food that are rich in vitamins and also we will come to know why do we need the vitamin. Like the minerals, vitamin is also necessary to protect our body from the different types of diseases. So, these are also called the protective food. Okay, here I am showing you the list of the vitamins that we need. Vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin E. Why do we want vitamin A? Okay, so it is very important for the visual purpose. Okay, and it is also necessary for the bone and tooth formation. The food that are rich is like fish, milk, egg. Okay, next is the vitamin B1. Why do we want? It is important for our growth and to build up the muscles. The peanuts, legumes and different types of cereals, they are rich in vitamin B1. Next is the vitamin B2. It is necessary for the formation of the blood cells. Okay, we also want that for the respiration. Okay, the food that are rich in vitamin are the egg white, fish and milk. You can ignore the vitamin B12. Let's discuss about the vitamin C. Vitamin C is very important Okay, so why do we want? It helps to heal the wound. Suppose whenever we will get hurt, see children, here I will show you. Heal the wound. What is the meaning of heal the wound? Whenever we will get hurt, so that there will be a injury or wound that has to be repaired. Who will help that? Vitamin C will help to repair that wound. Okay, and the food which are rich in the vitamin C is all the citrus foods, means the lemon. Lemon is a good source of vitamin C. Okay children, next we'll talk about the vitamin D. Vitamin D is very important for the bone and teeth formation. It is also important for bone and teeth formation, and the main source of vitamin D is the sunlight. Children, you remember the main source of vitamin D is the sunlight. Okay, whenever a baby will born, hope you have observed that we will keep the baby in the sun. Why? He will get a very good vitamin D from the sunlight, which will help to build up the bone and teeth. Okay children, so for your class, what I will suggest you just remember that, so vitamin A, right now I told why vitamin A, we need vitamin A for the bone and tooth formation. Okay, and the milk, egg, fish, they are rich in the vitamin A. Vitamin B1, vitamin B1, why we want that? For the growth of the muscle. Okay, and here are the sources like peanuts, legumes. Okay, next you can learn the vitamin C. Why do you want vitamin C? It is very important to heal the wounds. Right now I told. Okay, and citrus fruits like the lemons are the rich sources of the vitamin C. And next is the vitamin D. It is very important for the bone formation. See here, it is very important for bone and teeth formation. And exposure in sunlight will help us to get more vitamin D in our body. Okay children, so hereby I will finish my session, and thank you for hearing me.